On the territory of Kosieric municipality in western Serbia stands a water factory called St. John's. Surrounded by the mountains Povlen, Maljen, Subil, Crnokosa and Jelova Gora, it spreads on an area of 5,800 square meters out of the total 10,000 square meters of the property. Aquawell Production owns both the factory and the mineral water spring itself. Complete chemical, microbiological and radiological analyses have confirmed the quality and abundance of St. John's well that is used for bottling St. John's water. The well stands at a depth of 122 meters. In its chemical composition, St. John's water is classified as natural mineral water with low soluble mineral content and low sodium content. The water temperature is stable throughout the year at around 25 degrees Celsius, making it a hypothermal water. Due to its quality, immediate approach to the well and use of modern equipment, the water is filled into PET and glass packaging without any additional technological treatments or any changes to its composition or quality.
From the very beginning, Aquawell Production has strived to verify the quality of St. John's water products by relevant laboratories and other institutions involved in the research of the quality of natural mineral waters. The first acknowledgement was a certificate from the prestigious Fresenius Institute, which recognized St. John's water as natural mineral water that is in accordance with the requirements and legal regulations of the European Union. Owing to the presence of certain minerals and the absence of undesirable elements, St. John's water is also recognized as absolutely suitable for use in baby foods and baby food preparation. This is confirmed by the special certificate of the Fresenius Institute. Shortly thereafter, we registered in America and obtained an FDA certificate. Then, it was time to obtain certification that would confirm the requirements of certain standards, guidelines and regulations in the field of food industry in our country and in the world. First, we implemented HACCP, a risk analysis system at critical control points, which is mandatory for all food and beverage operators in our country and worldwide. We received this certificate from the world-renowned certification company, SGS, established in Switzerland. ISO 9001 standard is introduced by organizations that strive for constant improvements in the quality of their business and the quality of their products. By implementing and continuously applying this standard, an organization can clearly see its deficiencies and risks and use these findings when planning improvements. Aquawell Production has ISO 9001-2015, which is the latest version of this standard. After the successful participation of St. John's Water at the Gulf Food Fair in Dubai, obtaining HALOS certificate was a logical next step. HALOS certification means that we respect the set of rules and guidelines for the production and preparation of food and drink in accordance with Islamic religious customs. We did not stop at the aforementioned certificates, but went a step further and introduced the NSF standard. In cooperation with the World Health Organization, this standard ensures that the stringent requirements regarding hygiene, product safety and product protection are respected against any deliberate or unintended influences that could endanger the safety or the quality. By certification under this standard, we have acquired the right to an NSF, a certification that opens the door to many countries and simplifies the procedure for export in terms of proving the quality and safety of the product. Simply put, when you see an NSF sign on the bottle, you should not have the slightest dilemma about the immaculate quality of the product. And St. John's Water is indeed such a product.
Having a quality water is one thing, but having it internationally recognized is quite another. It is a long process that lasts for more than 2 years, and we had to go through it at the beginning of this project. From the very outset, we at Aquawell Production have been committed to obtaining certification from internationally acclaimed laboratories such as Fresenius, NSF and many others. In 2011, we started with water testing. For a year, we had to send water samples to Germany every day. It is how we had received a Fresenius certificate, which confirmed its international quality and the fact that we are one of the best waters in the world. Currently, we work with 2 machines for 2 lines, glass and PET. The PET line automatically controls water production and later on packaging too. Hence, every step of the way, we have 100% quality control of the water and materials. Our systems are cleansed on a weekly basis in order to prevent water contamination or pollution. We also do not rely solely on workers' control. There is a whole system in place called CIP. It cleanses the product line, controls quality, and keeps it at the highest possible level. The PET bottling line is fully automated and consists of a rotary blower with a capacity of 14,000 bottles per hour, a monoblock with a saturator and a capacity of 12,000 bottles per hour, a labeling machine, a packing machine with thermosetting foils, 2 machines for the application of cardboard handles, and automatic palletizers with a stretching machine. The portfolio of PET products consists of non-carbonated water in the package of 1.5, 0.5 and 0.33 litre bottles, baby water in 2 litre and 0.5 litre bottles, and water for children in the packaging of 0.5 and 0.33 litres. By adding CO2, carbonated water is produced and packed in 1.5 and 0.5 litre bottles. The bottling line for the glass products consists of a labeling machine, a monoblock, and a machine for stretching. The capacity of this line is 3,000 bottles per hour in sizes of 1 litre and 0.33 litre. The portfolio of products in glass packaging consists of non-carbonated water in 1 litre and 0.33 litre bottles, and carbonated water in 1 litre and 0.33 litre bottles.
The factory complex was designed and built in accordance with the highest European standards so that it does not harm the environment. Aquaol Production has built 1,400 meters second-class road for its needs, but also for the needs of the local population. The decision of the Ministry of Mining and Energy of the Republic of Serbia from the 24th of January 2018 confirmed that the exploitation does not change either quality or quantity of the water. Moreover, the right of the local population to use the water for their own needs has not been jeopardized.